Jaime King and her estranged husband Kyle Newman's custody battle is far from over. The former couple is set to appear in court in Los Angeles later this month, with both King, 43, and Newman, 46, expected to testify regarding all issues pertaining to custody and visitation of their children, as well as allegations of abuse and other pending matters, according to new documents obtained by People. The exes share two sons, Leo Thames, 6, and James Knight, 8. Per the documents, King and Newman's former nanny, Olivia Messier, has been called to testify about what she personally observed with regards to her care and supervision of the minor children, as well as her interactions with the minor children and the former pair. Additionally, court docs stated that Newman and King had a custody dispute in early June, leading Newman to file an emergency ex parte application in an attempt to change their custody arrangement and gain sole legal and physical custody of their kids. King then requested her own emergency ex parte application, which noted that her counsel had a conflict due to a serious family matter on the scheduled hearing date and asked to reset it by a day so they could attend. Newman's request was eventually denied, per the docs, but will be heard when the two appear in court on June 24. King must also serve and file a responsive declaration no later than June 20. Attorneys for Newman and King did not immediately respond to People's request for comment. In November 2020, Newman filed for sole physical custody of their two sons, requesting the Heart of Dixie actress have supervised visitation on alternating weekends and one night a week, per court documents obtained by People at the time. Newman specified in the docs, "I have been the children's primary caretaker since their birth, and the children have spent the large majority of 2020 in my sole custody." In May that year, King filed for divorce from Newman after 12 years of marriage. The actress also filed a domestic violence prevention petition and an emergency motion related to child custody and visitation, as well as a temporary restraining order. In court documents previously obtained by People, King claimed Newman was withholding their sons from her. Newman responded with his own series of allegations that King has engaged in reckless behaviors that endangered the children. King has denied his allegations. In April, King was ordered to pay Newman more child and spousal support amid their ongoing divorce, with a judge ordering the actress to pay Newman $429 per month in child support, plus an additional 16% of any income above $175,344 per year, to be paid quarterly, per documents obtained by People. Additionally, King had to pay Newman $1,000 per month in spousal support plus 10% of any income above $175,344 per year, which would also be paid quarterly. The payments will continue until either party dies or King gets remarried, per the docs. The papers also stated that the exes must meet and confer every year on January 15 to revisit their agreement and adjust any overpayments or underpayments that were made in the previous year.